Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are just starting your journey into the world of digital business or entrepreneurship, this video is for you. My name is Ada Happiness, your Make Money Online cheerleader. Welcome. Today, we are talking about some of the most common mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them to get a smoother start. These tips here will help you grow faster. So let's stick around to the end. What you will learn, you are going to learn five most common mistakes beginners make and how you can overcome them. You can avoid them if you follow these tips. Are you ready now? Mistake number one, trying to do everything at once. Trying to do everything at once is one way to get yourself exhausted. I get it. When you are excited to launch your business, it's tempting to dive into multiple projects all at once. But trust me, this leads to burnout and unfinished work. I can tell you for sure because I have experienced this too. Instead, focus on one key goal at a time. Whether it's creating your first product, writing an ebook, building a website, or starting a blog, pick one task, finish it before you move to the next one. This will not only keep you sane, but also help you build momentum with each completed task. But when you have everything cluttered and you're not you don't know what next to do, you begin to feel burnt out, you begin to lose momentum. Okay, so keep your auxiliary gear moving by doing one task, finishing one task at a time. Mistake number two, ignoring market research. Skipping market research is one way to get yourself worked up. A lot of beginners jump into creating products or services without understanding what their audience really needs or wants. You might think you've got a brilliant idea, but if your target market isn't interested, it won't sell. So what you should do instead is before you invest time or money into creating something, do your research. There are many tools that can help you to carry out your researches. You can use tools like Google Trends, you can use social media polls, or even forums, and all these communities. Ask, read up what is going on in there, and pick a niche. People in your niche will be talking about these things that you are struggling with. Or you can even ask questions. Building something that solves a real problem is the key success, not just creating a product. Is your product solving a problem? Is it meeting a need? Mistake number three, underpricing your product or services. Underpricing your products or services is one of the mistakes that beginners, especially freelancers, make. They tend to undervalue their work because they think low prices attract more customers. No. The truth is, when you when you price yourself too low, you can send the message that your product or service isn't worth much. Instead of underpricing yourself, research industry standard pricing and don't be afraid to charge what you are worth. People who are willing to pay for quality plus higher prices often attract more serious customers and clients. So people who are willing to pay for quality, they will buy from you. Okay? So don't be afraid to charge what you're really worth. Mistake number four, not building an email list early. This might sound too big for you, but really, it's one of the key ways to success. Let's talk about it. A lot of beginners focus solely on social media, but what happens if Instagram changes its algorithm or your account gets banned? You just want to be left at the mercy of social media algorithms? No, you lose your audience by so doing. Instead, build your email list now. Take action right now so that you can have a direct line of communication with your clients. Your email list is a sure way you can connect with your clients. You can have a constant communication with your clients. You can offer freebies like an ebook or template to encourage sign-ups. That way you have control over your audience and you can market to them directly anytime you need. Nobody is going to get your account banned. Nobody is going to influence the algorithm. Here you have total control of your constant communication with your audience. What do you think? You should sign up now. You should get a sign up form for your email list and get your audience to start signing up and you start building that list right away. There is no need to wait till you are so big. It's one of the beginner steps. I'm going to create another video and teach you how to build an email list so that we all can work together and grow together. Mistake number 5, giving up too soon. Most times we get fed up if things are not working the way we feel, if things are not going the right way for us, we get to lose focus. But let me tell you now, that is not an option. Consistent effort over time is what will give you success. There will be challenges, everybody faces challenges, there are slow periods, and even sometimes you fail along the way. But that's all part of the journey. Pick yourself up, laugh at your folly, laugh at your mistakes, and keep going. Stick with it, keep learning, and remember that progress often comes slowly but steadily. I know you've got this. I'm rooting for you. So keep staying consistent, keep pushing it one step at a time, one step at a time. I know that you've got this locked down. Okay? And finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to leave a comment. Ask your questions in the comments, and I'll be more than willing to answer you. The link to our freebie is there in the channel description. Don't forget to get yours right away. See you some other time. Bye.